Alright, today on Building the X set, I'm going to show you Miata boys and girls, and those of you with Turbo X sets that are running Megasquirt, how to wire in the VSS signal, the vehicle speed sensor. That is actually in your, I think, NA dash. How to get that wired up into Megasquirt so you can use boost by gear. So this car is not a Miata, obviously it's an X-Motive X set. I have a 1992 was the donor, the engine's a 97. It was an automatic transmission in the donor car that swapped to a manual, and it did have cruise control. So I think there's something along the lines of if it has cruise control and or an automatic, it has a wire, which is basically this green with red stripe, I believe, wire. And this is already in your dash plug. Let me grab it here. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and show you. So that's already wired in the passenger side dashboard plug. However, if you don't have, like I said, I believe it's if you didn't have an automatic car, you did not have cruise control, then I believe there's no wiring going to the ECU to say the speed because it just wasn't needed. However, there is still the input, and what you see right here, it's upside down RSW read switch. That goes right down to right here, and there is a read switch in there, which, from my understanding, is not the cleanest signal to give to your Megasquirt, but it will work. So you can do a ring terminal around that, soldered to this, or if you still have this little ribbon running here, read switch to pin F on this part, you can do something magic that I'm going to do. I'm basically going to take this, and where that F pin's supposed to be, my wiring harness is completely custom, but I am going to basically take, let me get it here for you. I went ahead and recrimped, and yes, I soldered one of these terminals onto a green with red striped wire, and I'm going to insert it into there. Okay, so now I have that wire pinned in here. I have it ran through my loom and through my terribly messy wiring harness there. And now we'll follow the wire down here. This will follow my boost controller wire here. And basically, this will wire in here to the gray with purple wire. And I don't know if you can see it on there, but this is from the MS3X card, and it is called table switch. It is pin number 28. That is that boy right in front of my thumb there. Gotta love how small these wires and pins are on these Megasquirt harnesses. And basically doing that, that's going to give your VSS, your vehicle speed sensor, from your dash, from the read switch on your dash, it's going to send it into the table switch input on your MS3X. And from there, you can start programming your boost by gear. Hope that helps you guys out. See you in the next one.